Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this video, we're going to work on some miscellaneous odds and ends. We're going to cut this piece out here. I don't know if that's a spare tire hold down or a jack hold down, but it's all broken in there and rusted out. So I'm just going to cut it out and put a piece in there. We've got all these brackets for both sides. They are little extra support brackets for where we cut the frame out and put in a new frame piece with the mini tubs. So far I'm really happy how things are coming along. The mini tub project went pretty well. The floor replacements went pretty well. So just keep pushing forward, get some more stuff in while we're waiting on some parts to show up. Anyway, let's get to it, see what we can get done. All right, got some stuff done this week. Got that spare tire or jack mount out that was all rusted and falling out, and cut a piece of metal out of the old tub to fill the hole. Also got the frame. Let's see if we can see that there. Little frame gussets all welded in. Got those done on both the driver and passenger side. So not exciting stuff this week, but some things that we needed to get done. So still waiting on some parts to show up. Did get some other parts. So once I get these subframe connectors in, we will get those in, and then I've got some stuff queued up to keep going on for a bit. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.